Good day to you, my trading friends. It is Friday, December 4th, 2020, and your cherry bomb trade is in for today. We're going to be looking at, unfortunately, well, let's not say unfortunately. Look, I know we get a little bored sometimes of these long debit verticals, but okay, they often work out for us. Well, I think they do. Well, anyway, today we're looking at a long call vertical in McDonald's. It's got a liquidity rank of 3 out of 4 and an IV rank that is just shy of 12. So I round down with our IV ranks. So we're at an IV rank of 11. Its IV percentile, though, is 22, almost 23. That gives you an idea that, let's say, we got 77% of the days in the past year have had higher volatility than today. So we could reasonably expect that there should be an increase in volatility. However, I don't know, does a long call vertical really benefit from an increase in volatility when the price goes up? So I don't know about that. What do you think about that? Do you prefer a long put vertical for that kind of pop in volatility? I just don't see it happening a lot. I mean, it would be great to have directional move. And honestly, I could see that happen. But you can't see that because we're just looking at this thumbnail, right? So why don't we hop on in to the platform and allow me to introduce myself. My name is Neil. This is, of course, Option Theory, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. What we do here is we build out a portfolio of simulated trades using ThinkOrSwim, and we invite you to join us. Down in the description below, you'll find a link to sign up for Tasty Trades Cherry Bomb emails. We use those 4 days a week, and ideally on Mondays, we do either a trade that I come up with or you send me an underlining, maybe in a comment down below, and we'll do that trade on Mondays. All right, everybody. So thank you for joining us today. Hopefully you'll join us by hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell so that you can get into these trades when we do. So let's hop on in and go to this Analyze tab. And once again, you can't see my cursor, and I have to remember to do this. Right, there we go. I got the cursor on. Now you can see my pointer. And what we're going to do is go to the Analyze tab, add simulated trade. Yesterday's trade was in the diamonds. It was slightly profitable in one day. Nothing to write home about, but we're going to be in MCD for McDonald's, right? Why don't we take a quick look at the chart here, and we can see since I've reinstalled my software, I no longer have the charts that I was looking for here, but we've seen some down movement, right? And the other signals are slightly bullish as well, too. So not that this is a bullish signal, but for me, I tend to be contrarian. When things go on sale, I tend to feel like they'll come back. We've hit some previous support here. We've actually, looks like, come through it. So some of you technical analysts might say, where's the most recent resistance? If we go back here, so maybe we're looking at it could bottom out at the 200 mark, or it could come back. You know, hey, I kind of believe in the nobody knows anything mantra that you see in Tasty Trade. But with that, let's go back to this Analyze tab. We're going to be in the January 8th weeklies with 35 days to expiration as of today. We're going to scroll down to the at the money calls, and we're looking at buying the 210. I left clicked on the ask for the 210. I'm holding down the control key now, and you can see these weird numbers pop up. And then I'm going to click on the ask for the 212.50. That builds us one contract. Make sure yours doesn't say 10 unless you're like, ooh, that's what I want, 10. All right, over here we're looking at a debit spread of $1.23, right? And we're at a $2.50 wide spread on this one. Now that we got our trade built, let's head on to this risk profile and understand our probabilities for this trade. We're looking at a January 9th expiration. So let's dial that in. Let's spread out our expected move and drag it into the center of our view and set our price slice to break even at expiration. And here we're looking at, according to ThinkOrSwim, a 52% chance of this not working out for us. Not the kind of probabilities that you want when you're risking the loss of 123. I guess that makes sense. We're risking less than we can make. So we typically would have a less than 50% probability. So, all right, I guess that's to be expected. But what's the P50 on this one? If you get those emails, like I said below, sign up for those Tasty Trade emails. Down in the description below is a bit.ly link. It's not an affiliate link. It's just a link so that I know, hey, look, somebody clicked it this week. Right? It's not like it gets clicked a ton, right? Or that my videos get a ton of watches. I'm a small channel, and I'm a proud small channel. I'm grateful for each and every one of your views. But yeah, so sign up for that. You'll see that they talk about the P50 in that one. The P50, according to the email that we got this morning, for me, it came in at 5:03 a.m., and now it's 5:54 a.m., so a little bit less than an hour ago. All right. Yeah, it says 64%. All right. So what we'll do is I'm going to try, once again, hopefully gracefully, to pop on over to, yep, there is ThinkOrSwim. Nope, sorry, Tastyworks. And you can see I have the same trade built here, but the P50 right now is 66%, and they're claiming a 51% probability of profit on that one. Yeah, so slight differences there, and I just wanted you to see that that was the case. Let's pop on back over to ThinkOrSwim here, and you can see that I had Tastyworks up there. I'm trying to respond to my viewers' comments who said that Tastyworks was too small, so I'm always trying to get better with how I present information for you. All right, so I'm going to right-click this trade, choose Confirm and Send. We're at the Confirm and Send phase where we review our max profit of 127, our max loss of 123. We know we have a mid 60%, 65-ish% probability of walking away with half of that, right? So let's call that 6350. In the next 35 days, there's a 65% chance of us taking that off. All right, everybody, I'm going to hit Send. That's going to put that in my working orders. And you can see that is right here. And our other portfolio right here, you can see we have some losers, we have some winners. And if you're looking at this going, well, this guy doesn't know what he's doing, hey, like I've said in my intro video, I'm not a professional. But remember, when you're managing your trades, you end up with your losers there. And on most of these, I almost say all of these, are defined risk strategies. And there's not a lot of management you can do with those defined risk strategies. Because you define your risk, you manage them when you put them on. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. If you've made it this far into this video, here's your thumbs up. You deserve it. And if you feel that I've deserved it, you know what? Hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, you can ring that not ring that bell. You can hit that thumbs up. I'd appreciate it so much. So, all right. This has been a great week. I look forward to seeing you next week. And until then, everybody, happy trading.